Question 6 says, at liftoff, a space rocket has an engine force of 45,000 Newton. So the force is said to be 45,000 Newton. The weight of the rocket is 38,000 Newton. The resultant force on the rocket is, now you need to differentiate this. They said the force acting upwards. So this is acting upwards, and this is the weight which is acting downwards. So the resultant now will be the difference between this. Take this to be negative, take this to be positive. Okay, so you then have it as 45,000 minus 38,000, and that will give you 7,000 Newton. Let's see if we have it. Okay, it's already given here that the engine force is acting upwards while the weight is acting downwards. So the difference is 7,000 upwards. Okay, 7,000 Newton upwards. So you should be careful. You should know the direction. This is telling you downwards. This is upwards. This is the answer. Okay, so you discover that when you add both together, the answer is there. When you subtract one from the other, you'll still find the answer there. So you need to be very careful and understand the question perfectly to be able to get the right answer.